Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to swatch all 8 colors from the new Gold Effect nail polish range. This is a collection by Catrice. They are available from August on, so they are available right now in most stores where of course Catrice is sold, but as usual I'm going to swatch them all on my thumb and also applying a base coat on forehand. So yeah, this first one is I think one of my favorites, but I have to be honest, I'm pretty much in love with the entire collection. This one is a one attracting pump. I think the name is a little bit weird, I'm not quite sure what it means, but nevertheless it is a gorgeous reddish shade with a lot of golden shimmer in there. It really is a fall collection, so some people have like mentioned that they don't understand that why is it summer and you are sharing autumn or fall collections. That is because always in about August or September fall collections are already in stores because, like, you know, it's always a little bit early, so you can get them in time. That's just the way like fashion and trends and the seasons as far as that goes actually work. So yeah, that's why I am already sharing these beautiful fall winter collections with you, even though it is still like the end of summer. But this first one I applied 2 layers, actually applied 2 layers for all of the colors, but it was almost completely opaque in the first layer. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think it's a gorgeous fall color, but I will definitely be wearing this for like the holiday season as well. Then the second color is also one of my favorites. It's a beautiful, like cool toned rose gold, and this one is 02 and it's called Fascinating Grace. It is so beautiful. I really love it. Most rose gold tones are really gold and less like rosy. And this one is just a beautiful, like toned down, a little bit like a muted rose gold with more silver shimmer in there than gold, and I really like that. You guys know me, I'm totally into like the cooler tones as well, and I just think it's a really beautiful one, and I would love to do like a stamp design with this color as well. So for the second coat, it will be completely opaque. Some of these colors, or at least some colors from this collection, will be completely opaque in 2 coats. Some will already be opaque in just one coat, but it's totally up to you how thick of coats you actually apply. I prefer to go in with a little bit like thinner coats, so it actually dries pretty quickly, but because these are all metallic polishes, they already dry pretty fast as it is. But this second one, lovely, cool toned rose gold. I love it. Really gorgeous. The third one is called 03 Magical Allure. This is more of like, it's just a gold tone. It's kind of like a less bright gold, leaning a little bit towards like a metal coppery kind of shade. Like it isn't perfect copper, but it's kind of like a mix between copper and gold. It's a lovely, yeah, how do you describe this? I don't even know how to describe this one. It's just a gorgeous shade. It isn't like pure gold, like the really yellow gold, but more towards a toned down version. So yeah, I'm just going to stick with that. I feel like this is a mix of like a bronze with a little bit of gold in there. I think I'm just going to stick to that. But this one is completely opaque in 2 layers as well. And I also think that this shade would look beautiful with a lot of different skin tones. Again, all colors are really shimmery. They contain a lot of gold and silver shimmer as well. Some colors even contain like golden flakes. That is something that you will definitely see really showing in the purple colors more towards the end of this video. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's gorgeous. You really have to love gold and shimmer and metallic polishes to really love this collection, but I pretty much do. This fourth color is called For Secret Adoration. This is more of a golden shade than the previous one. It is a very nice, like, light golden shade, more towards the yellowy gold, but not as deep as a tone as, for instance, like gold jewelry or something like that. It is a little bit sheer on the first coat, but I think this would be really beautiful to just apply as a special effect topper as well. Just apply a thin layer on top of any nail polish color. You don't want to apply too much because it will be opaque pretty quickly. It is fully packed with glitter and shimmer. It's not like really rough like glitter, it's more like a really finely milled glitter towards a shimmer, but it is completely opaque in just 2 thin coats. So I really like that. I know a lot of you out there really are into the super opaque polishes as well, and if you are a gold or metallic fan, this color will be right up your alley. I really like it. Some of you actually expected these not to be opaque at all because the formula is really like liquidy. It's like a very watery kind of substance, or at least that's what it looks like in the bottles, but I was already pretty sure that these would be really opaque. I just know Catrice so well, and their nail polishes are always really nice. Of course, they do look a little bit like liquidy or watery in the bottle, but I think that's a good thing. So they really apply nicely, and thin layers actually dry really quick as well. But this fifth color is 05 Magnificent Feast. This is like a gold with a ton of bronze coppery shimmer or pigment in there. This one also contains kind of like that flaky shimmer that I mentioned earlier. I really like it. I think it's really gorgeous, and this will look so stunning on darker skin tones. I think it's not that flattering on my skin tone, but maybe that's just because it's still summer and I'm still really into the neons and the bright colors and just rainbow colors all over the place. But I think this would be a gorgeous shade if you are not as pale as I am. But it's really a nice color, and I think I'm going to use like the entire collection for a lot of nail arts as well. I think these colors are great for fall and winter, but you could easily wear them all year round if you want to. Then this next one definitely is one of my favorites. I love purples, they are gorgeous. Number 6 is also my favorite number. And this one is called Splendid Atmosphere. It is a medium purple with a ton of gorgeous shimmer. This one kind of has that golden flakiness to it as well, which I really like. And this one was so opaque, I really liked it. Again, just 2 thin coats to make it completely opaque. As you can see here, I'm really not applying that much polish. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to see with darker colors how much product you actually apply, but you can still see a little bit of patchiness on this first thin layer, but the second one will definitely make it completely opaque. I always try to get rid of most of the product from one side of the brush so you don't flood the cuticle or the skin, but if you have any flooding or any excess polish on the skin, just get rid of it with your fingernail or an orange wood stick or a little brush with some nail polish remover. But this 6th color, oh, I love it so much. It's so stunning. It kind of has like a golden coppery kind of shimmer to it as well, but that might just be my eyes playing tricks on me because it's a purple and I'm not sure. At least there's a ton of shimmer in there. Let's just put it to that. But yeah, I really love it. I'm just so excited for this entire collection. It's insane. The next color is one of my favorites as well. I really love this one. This one is 07 and it's called Lustrous Seduction. It is a really dark, deep purple, almost like a burgundy with a hint of red in there. it is so stunning. It's a vampy, really gorgeous color. This one was really opaque as well, but because it is a darker color, I would highly suggest to make sure you apply a good base coat underneath to prevent any staining, because I think this will be a staining nail polish. I only wore it for like 10 minutes to just make this swatch video, but I will definitely let you know if I use this later on, if it will be a highly staining polish or that it's actually just my like scare at first glance. But I am expecting this one to be a little staining, so just make sure that you use a decent layer of base coat, or just go in with a couple of layers of base coat and let them fully dry before you go in with this polish. But as you could see, the first layer was almost completely opaque, and just go in with a thin second layer and you are good to go. This is just a beautiful vampy color. This color really screams fall for me and I really like it. I think I'm going to wear it for Halloween as well. I think it's a really beautiful color, especially if you are celebrating Halloween and just going as a vampire or something like that. I think this would be a really gorgeous color to wear. Then the last one I got is 08 Noble Poshness. This is like a metallic-y silver with a drop of purple in there. It kind of has like a lilac-y hue to it, if you know what I mean. It's like not completely silver. There's a little bit of purpliness in there. How do you say that? I'm not sure if it will come across as purple on camera as it does for me in real life. I actually still have this color on my thumb as we speak. It has just a little bit of lilac in there. I think it's way more special than just a regular silver chromy kind of shimmery polish. So if you do want something special and you really like the silvery kind of colors, do check out this color. And that was already the last color from this collection. I also wanted to give a little bit like extra information on those. As I mentioned, these are €3.59 in euros each, or at least here in the Netherlands they are. Prices may vary a little bit depending on where you live. They can be a little bit more expensive or a little bit less expensive. It really depends where you live. But yeah, I really like this collection. All polishes contain 10.5 milliliters, so I'm really excited for that. It's a decent amount, a nice bottle. I love the colors. But yeah, let me know what color is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.